The GreenPan Bistro Stainless Steel 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven aims to be a helpful addition to your home. It offers multiple cooking functions in one appliance. You can air fry, bake, broil, and even toast with it. This can save space on your kitchen counter. The fast heating feature is designed to get your food ready quicker. It also has preset options for common dishes, making cooking simpler. The cool touch handle is a nice safety feature. This GreenPan Bistro Stainless Steel 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven includes a non-stick baking pan. It also comes with a stainless steel rack and a basket. These accessories add to its versatility. The non-stick interior is a big advantage for easy food release. Cleaning should be less of a hassle thanks to the easy cleanup crumb tray. Plus, the GreenPan Bistro Stainless Steel 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven is made without PFAS. This might be important to you for health reasons. The design of the GreenPan Bistro Stainless Steel 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven tries to blend function and ease of use. It has a simple control panel. This should make it easy for anyone, even an 8th grader, to operate. While it offers many features, it's important to have realistic expectations. It's a countertop appliance, not a full-sized oven. However, for everyday cooking tasks, it could be a useful tool in your home. Pros: 9-in-1 functions, fast heating, multi-function presets, cool touch handle, PFAS-free, easy cleanup, non-stick pan, steel rack, includes basket, spacious capacity, adjustable rack, LED display. Cons: coating may peel, hard to replace parts, toast can be dry, gets very hot, thin. Cheap feel, exterior dense, easy, slow cooking time, uneven cooking, racks may collapse, long preheat features. GreenPan Bistro 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven, non-stick baking pan, stainless steel rack, basket included, fast heating, multi-function presets, cool touch handle, PFAS-free, easy cleanup. This GreenPan Bistro oven can do 9 different cooking tasks in one machine. Like air frying and baking, it heats up quickly to cook food fast. It comes with a pan for baking, a metal rack, and a basket. The handle stays cool to touch, and the inside has a non-stick coating that is made without harmful chemicals called PFAS, so it's safer to use. The crumb tray at the bottom makes it easy to clean up any food bits. The GreenPan Bistro 9-in-1 Air Fry Oven is a countertop appliance with many functions, including air frying, baking, and toasting. It heats up quickly and has different settings for various foods, a cool handle to touch, and a non-stick pan for easy cleaning. It also comes with a steel rack and a basket and has enough space for a good amount of food, with an adjustable rack and a digital screen. However, some users have noted that the non-stick coating might peel. Parts can be hard to find if they break. Toast can sometimes be dry, and the outside of the oven can get very hot. Some also feel it has a cheap build, can dent easily, takes a long time to cook some things, and might not cook food evenly, with racks that could collapse and a long time to preheat.